Toilet is the most important object on the planet, and I'm going to show you how to draw it. But first, why is it the most important object? Well, I will tell you. Because a house, an airport, a hospital, and all these places have one space in common: the toilet. Even if you remove everything else, this place can still stand on its own because it literally saves lives. Drop your random toilet fact in the comments. And when we are done, I'm putting this toilet into an AI battle to see who can render it better. Now here is the fastest way for anyone to draw it. Starting with the tank, I will use a rectangle of 500 width and 200 depth, just like this. Then for the seat, there is a reason cycle isn't used. Instead, a squashed cycle is used, which is an ellipse, which is defined by a major axis. I will click at the middle point down 600 and the minor axis 200. But the seat isn't full ellipse like this, so break the rectangle and copy this line down by 75 and then trim all these extras. Make a line from this and touch here, do the same here. Lastly, for the flush button, the big hero. For that, use the cycle and make flush with radius of 40. Make another one with radius of 30. And here we go. Then to transform it from this to this, I will export it full HD and using the exact tool and prompt between Gemini and ChatGPT, which one will do justice to this toilet. And here are the final result. Who do you think wins?